Hey there! Welcome to 800 SAT Math. In this video, we are going to discuss a quick tip about linear functions, specifically linear changes questions in the SAT Math test. But before we start, like this video and subscribe to our channel to get more videos and tips for better SAT Math score. First, you have 15 seconds to read and review the question. If you need more time, you can pause the video. First, in any word problem that involves linear functions, you need to label which defines the x value and which defines the y value, which is f of x. Then if you look at the question, you will find that there was an alteration in the x value, seeking what will be the change for the y value. In order to do that, you need to define the slope first. Then if the change is on the x value, you multiply that change by the slope. If the change is increase, you use a positive value for the change. If the change is decrease, you use negative value for the change. In that case, we have an increase in the x value, so we will multiply the positive 2.1 with 9/5. The outcome is positive 3.78, meaning that the increase of the temperature in Fahrenheit, which the y value is 3.78. The answer should be A. You can repeat the video for further clarity. Drop any question in the comments. Thank you for watching, and happy studying.